Today. It's nice to have you in-house. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's a very big deal. The money itself is going to allow you to do what? Rely less on financing?
The money itself, first off, it's coming from 4 incredible partners, which you named and know, who really believe in the company, believe in what we're doing, believe in our mission, our goals. Now what this money will allow us to do is to finance more projects that we want to make. We used to develop projects, take them out to be sold into distribution. We'll still do that. But before that, now we'll be able to pick and choose if we want to finance some ourselves. We'll also be able to ramp up our physical production capability to start physically producing all the things that we want to make, and also look at some strategic and thoughtful, smart M&A with companies that align with us culturally and do the same things we do and have creativity at the center of what they do and culturally understand our mission of empowerment.
Right, and you've talked a lot about the storytelling element that really drives your business. But I wonder, I mean, whether it's films, streaming, fashion, gaming, I mean, how are you prioritizing all of that right now? What's number one?
That's a great question. Well, number one, at the center of what we do is creativity and our mission to empower greatness in every individual. And then that is the thread that we pull through all of those things that you talked about. We happen to be very strong film and TV. We're very strong in our brand partnerships. We have a lot of brands that we work with to create content with. We've started our products and commerce business. It's small now, but it's growing. And pre-COVID, we were really starting to build our experiences business. But empowerment is the thread that we pull through everything that we do. It's aspirational and it's a little arrogant, but arrogant aspiration is what it takes sometimes. But we look at ourselves like Disney. They take happiness and pull that through movies, TV, products, experiences, the park. We do that with empowerment.
Mav, so interesting to see the different companies that you are now partnered with, and Epic Games being one of them. Tell us a little bit about what you expect to do with Epic Games and how you see your content playing into this metaverse that we've been talking so much about.
Yeah, that's a great question. The metaverse is the future of the world. I'm just happy that we're partners with Epic, so we're going to be a part of that future. And as they build the future of the world and build what the metaverse actually looks like, SpringHill Company will be their partner. As they build everything that's happening in the metaverse and digitally, we will be their partner for what's happening in real life. And how does content play a part in the metaverse? How does things that they launch in the metaverse also come to life in the real world? We did the first ever partnership with Epic where they launched a skin. They launched a LeBron skin in the game, and we did a real life experience and a real life piece of content in real life that launched at the same exact time, the first time they've ever done that. And we're going to do much more of that. And again, Epic is a fantastic partner, and I'm happy to be their partner because I want to be on the forefront of what's happening and coming too.
Yeah, it'll be so interesting to see how you move into that game space. But tell us a little bit about the consumer products in the retail space, because you were already doing some consumer products. Now you have this investment from Nike. Where does it go from here?
Yeah, that's a great question. The way we're going to think about this is, again, as I explained to Carl, is we're going to take our mission and what we stand for, empowerment, and pull it through everything that we do. So if you think about some of the shows and the IP that we own, we have a show called The Shop that's on HBO that's become a bit of a hit show. Well, The Shop is a show as it stands today, but to us, it's a brand. It's a piece of IP that stands for community empowerment. So now we'll be able to take The Shop and go, what does The Shop look like as a physical experience? What does The Shop look like as products? Is it should it be a man's grooming line for men? We'll actually be able to build out that IP and really expand it in the way that Disney does, but keeping empowerment at the center of what we do, and specifically community empowerment when it comes to The Shop.